Hi, Ngok. Good evening. Hello.
Hello,
Hi, good evening, and welcome again to our class. How are you today, Ngok?
I'm good.
I'm good. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes. What did you eat? Oh, what are you eating right now?
Mm-hmm.
What? Is that a rice paper? What's that?
Mm,
This one, rice paper?
how?
Oh, really? What's that? Candy or a plastic?
Mm,
What are you eating? What is the name of that?
I don't.
You don't know? I think it's a rice paper, like this one.
There's a food in Vietnam.
It's a food in Vietnam. I think that it's this one.
Hmm?
This one, oh. Is it the same? Wait, I will show you. Is it the same?
Yes.
Oh, it's a rice paper.
Oh.
Rice paper in English.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh. Is it delicious? Like this, oh.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a rice paper. So we call it as rice paper in English. Oh, that is your dinner for today? You only eat rice paper this evening? What are the other things that you eat today? Oh, wait, that one.
Huh?
Did you eat rice and vegetable or no?
Right.
Rice. Rice and vegetable?
I don't.
What did you eat? You don't eat anything for dinner today? You didn't eat
Mm,
anything. You didn't
uh,
eat anything? Mhm.
anything.
Yeah. What did you eat for dinner?
Eat for dinner.
Hmm. What did you eat? Rice? Rice paper only?
Wait.
Okay, sure.
I
Mm-hmm.
eat for rice
Mm-hmm.
and
Rice
and
and
and and and and and and
and
and and and
and
and
mm,
and
and ah sushi?
no,
Oh, what's that?
I don't.
You don't know. What or fish? Did you eat fish today?
Alright, no,
Mm.
alright, and
Rice
I don't
and
rice
I
and I
mm,
don't need
chicken, meat,
no
beef.
beef.
Beef?
No, no.
No. Oh, it's okay. Okay. So are you ready for the continuation of our lesson for today? Actually, we still haven't finished our reading. So this will be the last page. So let's read the last page of our story. Okay. So let's read. Suddenly,
Suddenly, Lottie heard a, fam- a familiar voice.
mm-hmm,
Lunch time now. Saying mum, saying mum.
mm-hmm,
As she started in the doorway. I've
Very good.
packed
Mm-hmm.
your table. If you wait to play on it afterwards.
Okay, very good. So now let's read again these words. This one. How do you read this one?
Mm, 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 mm. Familiar.
Hmm? Okay, again. Let's say familiar.
Familiar.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Um, this. What's this?
Same. Same.
Okay, let's say said.
Said.
Okay, very good. Next is this one.
Stood.
Okay, let's say stood.
Stood.
Okay, this one. How about this?
Table.
Okay, we read it as tablet.
Tablet.
Okay, so again, let's read the words that we had learned. How do we read this one? How do we read?
Familiar.
Okay, again, familiar. Okay, let's say it 3 times. Familiar, familiar, familiar.
Familiar. Familiar. Familiar.
Okay, next. Said,
Said.
said, said, said.
Said. Said. Said.
Okay, let's read the first word again. How do you read this again? This one?
Familiar.
Very good. How about this?
Said.
Said, not send. Said.
Said.
Okay, very good. Next.
Star.
Hmm?
Star.
Okay, we read it as stood.
Stood.
Yeah, like STUD, like this one. You cannot see. Here. Like this. Stood. STUD. Stood.
Stood.
Okay, very good. Again, so let's start with our first word. How do you read this one?
Huh?
Let's read the first word.
Familiar.
Very good. Next.
Said.
Said, not send. Said.
Said.
Okay, let's start again with familiar. How do we read this?
Familiar.
Okay, next.
Said.
Next is
Stood.
very good. Stood. Next is, how about this one?
Table.
Okay, again, let's say tablet, not table. Tablet.
Yeah. Tablet.
Okay, let's start again with the first word. How do you read this?
Mm, familiar.
Okay, next.
Stand.
Next is
Stood.
not stud, stood.
Stood.
Okay, let's start first. Again, stood. Letter U, not letter O. Because when we see words with two O's, with two letter O's, so we read it as U, stood, not stud, stood. Okay,
Stood.
okay, very good. So again, let's start with this one.
Familiar.
Okay, next is,
Stand.
okay, very good. Next is,
Stood.
okay, very good. Next is,
Tablet.
Okay, wow, good job. Very good nga. Okay, so let's try to read it again. So let's try to read the whole story. Let's start with this one. Suddenly, let's read. Suddenly,
Suddenly,
Lottie
Lottie
read.
heard, heard a familiar voice.
Okay.
It's lunch, lunch time now.
Mm-hmm.
So, say, Mom, as she stole
Stood or stood?
stood in
Stood,
the
not stooge. Stood.
stood
Okay, let's start again at the
in
beginning.
the
Okay, let's start again with this one. Suddenly, suddenly. So for you to be able to practice your pronunciation.
suddenly
Mm-hmm.
uh suddenly Lottie heard a familiar voice.
Wow, very
It's
good.
lunch lunch time now. Thanks, Mom, as she sh- sh- short short
Should? Okay, it's okay. We say it as stood,
stood
not stooge. Stood.
stood.
Stood. Okay, very good. Again, let's start with this one. It's lunchtime now.
It's lunch time now. Thanks, Mom, as she stood
Stood.
stood
Not
in the
stunda. No N, letter N, like this. How do you read this one?
stood
This one. Here, this one. How do you
stood
read this?
stood
Okay, this one. How do you read this?
stood.
Very good, stood. So that is how we read this word, stood. Okay, again, let's start with it's lunchtime now. Let's say it's lunchtime now.
It's lunch time now.
Mm-hmm.
Stand, Mom, as
She,
she stage
stage,
stage
stooge.
in the doorway.
Okay,
If
again, this one first. How do we read this?
stage
Is it stooge? Stood.
stood
Okay, stood.
stood.
Okay, so again, let's start with it's lunchtime now. Let's start. It's lunchtime.
Now, said Mom, as she
As she stood.
stood in the doorway. If
Eve.
unpacked,
Okay, again, let's read this word. I've, not Eve. I've. Next. I've what?
I've unpacked,
Unpacked? No.
unpacked.
Very good. Unpack, not unpacked. So if you see an ed
Yeah,
words, we don't usually say it as ed, or we don't usually read it as ed. Unpacked, no, it will not be correct. We read it as unpacked. Okay. Okay, next, your
tablet.
very good.
If you want to play on it afterwards.
Okay, very good. So let's read again from the start. Suddenly,
Suddenly, Lottie heard a family a
fa, me,
familiar
very, very good. Familiar voice.
voice. It's
Okay.
lunch time now. Stay as she
Stu,
stood
stu, stutch. Very good, stood. Very good. Next.
in the doorway.
Okay.
I've unpacked
Okay.
your tablet. Tablet.
Very good.
If
Tablet.
you want to play on it afterwards.
Okay, this one. Let's read this word. Afterwards. Wards.
One.
Very good. So good job, no? So I can see that mostly, so your mispronounced or misread words, so you can definitely correct it, or you can definitely do it correctly if you practice it well. So good job. Good job. I'm so proud of you. So that's it. Oh, we have another set of sentences. So let's read this one. Can I? Okay. Let's read.
Can I just come back in seat, please, Mom? Asked Lottie.
Okay. So let's read again this words. Let me have this one. How do you read this one? How do you read this?
Her.
Is it her?
Her.
So this one, this word without
Here. Here.
very good here. So this one, this word is what we read as her because it doesn't have letter E at the end. So this one is here. So very good. Next. How about this one?
In seat.
Okay, let's read it as instead. Because
Instead.
okay, because it has letter T, so we need to highlight the T sound. Instead.
This out.
Yeah, instead. Again, let's say instead.
Instead.
Very good. Next, this one.
Asked.
Okay, this one we read it as asked without ed. Asked.
Asked.
Not asked. Asked.
Asked.
Okay, very good. Asked.
Asked.
Okay, so let's read again the whole sentence. Can I? Can I just let's read? Can I?
Can I just come back in here instead?
And again, instead, not instead. Instead.
Instead.
Okay, very good.
Instead.
Okay, again, let's start. Let's start again. Can I?
Can I just come back in here instead?
Very good.
Please, ask ask
Very good. Asked.
Lottie.
Okay, good job. So asked, not asked. Asked. Very good. Next. Of course. Of course. Let's read this one. Of course, I used
Of course, I use to love going on adventure.
Very good.
We Chester. Chester.
Two.
Smile.
Remember. Okay, again.
Smile. Two.
Okay, remember we can see two letter O's. Two letter O's. If we see two letter O's, we read it as U.
Two.
Ooh, we read as ooh. Yeah, two. Stood. Okay, next. Next one is
Smiled.
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 Very good. Mom.
Mom with a wine.
Okay, this one we read it as wink. Let's say wink.
Wink.
Okay, very good. So again, let's try to read each words. So can you read this one?
Is were
This one.
two. Two.
Very good too. Next is this one.
Smile.
Very good. Next is
Wine.
okay, we read it as wink.
Wink.
Okay, again, wink. Okay, one more time. Let's say wink.
Wink.
Okay, very good. So that's it. So again, let's try to read the whole sentence. Let's try to read. Of course.
Curve.
I used
To use to love going on at adventures
very good. Adventures.
with Chester to
Okay. Smiled.
Mom with a wink.
Okay, one more time. Wink. Wink, not
Wink.
wink. Wink.
What is wink?
Yes, very good. Okay,
What
again.
Chester? What Chester?
With Chester.
With Chester.
Okay, one last time. Let's read it one last time. Of course.
What Chester? What Chester?
Okay, one more time. Let's read this. Of course.
Of course, I used to love going on adventures with Chester to smile
Very good.
with a wink.
Okay, one more time. Not wink. Wink.
Wink.
Okay, how do you read this word again? How do you read that?
Wink.
Okay,
Wink.
so one last time. Again, let's start with of course. Of course.
Of course. Carl used to love going on adventures
Tours.
with Chester.
Adventures.
Adventures.
Okay.
With Chester to smile. Mom with a wink.
Again, wink. Are you sure?
Wink. Wink.
Very good. So again, this one, let's start with this. With, it's okay. We can practice your reading skills.
With Chester to smile. Mom with a wink.
Very good. So good job. So wink.
Wink.
With a wing. So very good. So as we can see.
What Chester?
Yeah, okay. So as we can see here, Ngok, so in this part of the story, So in this part of the story first, yes, that we learned last Wednesday. So Lottie, so she saw Chester. So Chester is pulling the cart of the mayor, which is in the grand opening. So this is the what happened in the grand opening. There are the ballerinas that dance and perform. However, in the last part of the story, as we can see here, so the
Yeah.
bed, yes, it's the last part of the story. So as we can see in the last part of the story, Ngok, so the room that Lottie did go inside is not a room, or not a room that what she thinks of, because the room, so it just is full of toys, as you can see. So in Lottie's imagination, so these toys are real, but in reality, these are just toys. So they are not moving and they are not speaking. So as we can see here, so this is Chester, so the white horse. So this is where the grand opening is happening, and this is the train. Okay, so they are not real. So they are just in a room full of toys. So meaning, so it is a room full of toys in Grandma Mabel's house.
Remember Bell?
Yeah,
Bell.
Mabel. It's Lottie's grandma. Okay,
Lucky.
Lottie's grandma. Yes. And for this story, ngo, what happened at the end? What happened is what happened in the story?
Mm,
Are the toys real?
no,
No, because why are they not real?
because uh,
Because as
mm,
we can see here, so they are just toys. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. That is our story. Wow. So we are finished with our story. So good job, Ngok. So I can see mostly, so most of the I can see that you somehow struggle, especially when reading some words. But after we proceed to practice each words, you are able to say
yeah.
those correctly. So make sure to,
Oh
yes,
yay!
make sure to all, goodbye. Make sure to always read books, especially you should read some sentences or words that you don't know about, and you can proceed on asking your mother if those words are correct. Okay, so make sure to practice. Practice more, okay? Okay, ngok, 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 ngok. So I think for this one, so we will start the new lesson on next Monday. Okay? So for this, for our lesson next Monday, so we will practice your language. So this is all about the body parts that we learned last time. So make sure to review the body parts. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, okay.
A body. So this one's body. So make sure to review each body parts, and we will learn more about of this next Monday. So thank you very much for your time today, Ngok. So make sure to review. So you can now sleep, and you can also now eat your food. So goodbye, Ngok. Thank you so much for your time. Bye
Bye.
bye. Thank
Bye.
you. See you again on Monday. Goodbye. Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Oh,
Bye.
oh, is that a clock? This one, the panda. I can see your panda clock. It's so cute. It's moving. What's that? Is that a bracelet? Green bracelet? Why is your Why are you biting the bracelet? It will get destroyed. Bye-bye, Ngok. So make sure to rest well, okay? Have a nice weekend and goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Don't eat your bracelet. You might get choked. Bye-bye.